Hi, so my business ranks number one in my city, and this is because I pay attention to just three things that I'm going to share with you today, and also how you can also apply it to your business. Now, if you have a service business, if you offer products and services in, and you want to take advantage of your local environment, and you want to take advantage of people finding you locally, right? This is going to work for you. And please, when I mean locally in the SEO space, I mean, right, you are the one ranking and being the best in your city. That if someone outside the country, outside your city, is finding the best service provider in that city, you come out number one. So that is the technology, and that is the whole idea behind when I mean local, right? So if you search for, so these are some of the keywords that my business ranks for. So I'm going to do a copy here, copy the same keyword, and let me bring my Ignito mode here, and I do the same. You also can try it after watching this video, right? So the first business that is going to come out is my business, and it has been ranking number one for over 2 to 3 years now. Solid, right? Now, some of the things that I do, right? So this is SEO, but a bit of SEO, which is local SEO. Now, I pay attention to the local part of it, right? So just car rental alone is a broad keyword. Just car rental alone is a broad term that I cannot do because I have big competitors like Gigi, I have big competitors like other car rental services, right? That they are already ranking number one for it, and that's going to be on the long run. So what I'm paying attention to when people are searching for my city, when people are searching for Umaya, when people are searching for towns in Umaya, right? So I'm fusing those two together, and I'm dwelling on a platform that is free, which is Google My Business. That is one, right? And number two, I solidly making attention to the kind of signal that I'm passing. Now, on the normal SEO space, right, you can pass different signal, which is off-page SEO, social media, links, and all of those things. But for local SEO, I'm passing what we call church links, which are very, 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 very hyper-local links, hyper-local citations. People are talking about my city. People are talking about the services, right? This is going to help. So if you have a car hire service, if you have a rental service, if you are doing real estate, if you are doing anything that concerns finding that people are also going to making search and adding city and adding location, you want to pay attention to how you can pass this signal. And the third thing is heavily building on local directories. Now, only Google will make you rank, right? Only Google will make you rank number one. And trust me, I cannot disclose the amount of online directories that I have my business listed on. I mean, I'm the SEO bro, so I'm the one doing it, and I'm doing the technology, right? So as a service provider, as a real estate company, as a car rental service, right, you want to not just dwell on Google, right? So Google alone won't just give you that ranking because these are signals passing, and you want to pay attention that your business is listed in multiple directories. And this is just one side. Now, the next thing is your response rate. For a business, right? Okay, someone sees your call, someone sees your this thing. When they click on your call, are you responding quick, or your mobile phone, or is your mobile phone switched off? All right. So these are some off-page, technical, non-technical things that you want to pay attention to. Is it very, very easy for you to get this result in less than 2 months or 1 month? Yes, it's very, very possible. I think local SEO is one of the simplest and one of the straightforward SEO process that it takes just continuous effort, but for you to see your results, you see your results pretty fast compared to normal SEO or the on-page SEO, website SEO. All right, let's get back to work, and cheers. Bye.